What if I told you some cars are built so tough, they are practically unbreakable? Can't believe me? Well, here's a list of 12 cars that are known for being so dependable, you can buy them with total confidence. Toyota Corolla. First on our list is the undisputed champion of getting from point A to point B without any drama, the Toyota Corolla. Under the hood, you'll usually find a 1.8-liter or a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. These engines make between 139 and 169 horsepower and are usually connected to a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Now, those numbers won't win you any drag races. A run from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes about 8 to 9 seconds. However, that's not the point of the Corolla. This engine is designed to be simple and not work too hard. Therefore, it lasts a very long time. Toyota has been perfecting this basic engine formula for decades, working out all the problems. It's no surprise that seeing a Corolla with over 300,000 miles on the clock, needing only basic oil changes and tires, is completely normal. Toyota Camry. Now, let's say you like the Corolla's reliability, but you need a little more space for your family, or maybe just longer legs. That's where its big brother, the Toyota Camry, comes in. You get two main engine choices. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces a healthy 203 to 206 horsepower. But if you want some real get up and go, there's an optional 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower. That V6 can move the Camry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, which is surprisingly quick for a family sedan. The four-cylinder is still plenty powerful for daily driving. Just like the Corolla, the Camry is built to last. A mileage of 250,000 miles is often just the halfway point for a well-cared-for Camry. J.D. Power, a company that ranks car reliability, gives it a super high score of 88 out of 100, putting it at the top of its class. Toyota RAV4. Okay, we've covered sedans, but what if you need to handle bumpy roads, snowy weather, or just want to sit up a little higher? Meet the Toyota RAV4. The main engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, very similar to the one in the Camry, making about 203 horsepower. There is also a hybrid version that combines that engine with electric motors to make a total of 219 horsepower. The non-hybrid gets from 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds, which is perfectly fine for getting onto the highway. The real reason to buy a RAV4 is its toughness. It consistently gets top scores for dependability in the compact SUV group. It's built on the same principles as the Camry and Corolla, used proven strong parts that don't break. Having all-wheel drive available also makes it a safe choice for bad weather, and it still gets great gas mileage. Honda CR-V. Toyota doesn't get to have all the fun in the reliable SUV world. Honda has a serious competitor with the CR-V. This popular SUV uses a smaller 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes about 190 horsepower. The turbo gives it a nice punch of power when you need it, helping it get to 60 miles per hour in about 7.6 seconds, a little quicker than the RAV4. Honda pairs this engine with a very smooth CVT. For years, Honda and Toyota have battled for the top spot in reliability, and the CR-V is a great example of Honda's excellent engineering. It's common for these SUVs to go well past 200,000 miles with regular care. Subaru Crosstrek. Let's talk about a car that comes standard with a feature many others make you pay extra for, the Subaru Crosstrek. Every Crosstrek comes with all-wheel drive, making it a favorite for people living in snowy or rainy places. The base engine is a 2.0-liter Boxer or flat 4 engine, making 152 horsepower. A Boxer engine is different because the cylinders lie flat and punch outwards, which helps give the car a lower center of gravity and better balance. If you need more power, there is a bigger 2.5-liter engine option with 182 horsepower. The smaller engine is a bit slow, taking around 9 seconds to get to 60, but the bigger engine cuts that to about 8 seconds. Subaru's Boxer engines are known for being very sturdy, and while their maintenance can be a little more than a Toyota's, they are still very dependable cars that give you amazing all-weather confidence. Mazda CX-5. For a long time, if you wanted a reliable car, You often had to give up on fun driving and nice interiors. However, the Mazda CX-5 proves you can have it all. Mazda has worked hard to become one of the most reliable brands out there, right behind Toyota and Lexus. The standard engine in the CX-5 is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with about 187 horsepower. But the real fun comes from the optional turbocharged version of that same engine, which bumps the power up to 256 horsepower. That turbo engine makes the CX-5 feel quick and sporty, getting to 60 miles per hour in about 6.6 seconds. What makes the CX-5 special is that it combines this fun performance and a really nice, almost luxury-level interior with Mazda's great reliability. It's a car that feels more expensive than it is and won't let you down. Now that we've seen cars from Toyota, Honda, Subaru, and Mazda, they are all Japanese brands. Does that mean only Japanese companies know how to build a reliable car? Is there some kind of secret formula they all share? Well, it's not really a secret, and it's not just about where the company is from. It's about a company's main goal. These brands became successful by focusing on building cars that last. They often use engines and transmissions that have been used for years, slowly improving them over time instead of releasing brand new, unproven technology in their most popular models. They spend a lot of money on making sure the parts are high quality and fit together perfectly, so it's less about a magic trick and more about a slow, careful, and steady approach to building cars. But as we're about to see, they aren't the only ones who can do it. Toyota Tacoma. Now let's get tough with the Toyota Tacoma, the pickup truck that seems to be indestructible. For years, the Tacoma has been the king of mid-size pickup reliability. You can choose between a basic 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine with 159 horsepower, or the much more popular 3.5-liter V6 that makes a strong 278 horsepower. That V6 can get the truck to 60 miles per hour in just over 7 seconds, which is pretty quick for such a rugged vehicle. People who own Tacomas are famous for how long they keep them. Seeing one with 200,000 or even 300,000 miles still running strong on trails or construction sites? Totally normal. These trucks hold their value like crazy because everyone knows how tough they are. With a strong frame and a proven V6 engine made for hard work, the Tacoma is built to last. Toyota Sienna. Who said minivans have to be boring? The latest Toyota Sienna is here to change that. But one thing that hasn't changed is its legendary reliability. Every new Sienna is now a hybrid, using a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine combined with electric motors for a total of 245 horsepower. That's enough to get a van full of kids and gear to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds. The big win here is fuel economy, around 36 miles per gallon, which is excellent for a vehicle this size. And yes, you can even get it with all-wheel drive. Like every Toyota on this list, it's built across the 200,000-mile mark without major problems, making it the ultimate dependable family hauler. Buick Encore GX. Wait, a Buick on a list of the most reliable cars? Believe it. Buick has recently ranked as the #2 brand for dependability, according to J.D. Power, beating out a bunch of big names. The Encore GX is a small SUV that showcases this new commitment to quality. It offers two tiny but efficient turbocharged engines, a 1.2-liter three-cylinder with 137 horsepower, or a 1.3-liter with 155. These engines aren't meant for speed, but for city driving and great gas mileage. The ride is quiet, smooth, and surprisingly upscale, and it's backed by very strong reliability ratings. Lexus GX. If you want a luxury SUV that's built like an old-school bank vault, meet the Lexus GX. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, is consistently ranked as the most reliable car brand in the world, and the GX shows exactly why. Under the hood is a big 4.6-liter V8 engine with 301 horsepower. It's not a flashy modern engine, it's old school, smooth, and incredibly understressed, and that's the point. Because it doesn't have to work hard, it can last for decades. The GX rides on a truck frame, offering true off-road ability in a leather-wrapped, ultra-comfortable package. It's not fast. 0 to 60 takes around 8 seconds, but it's unstoppable and built to outlive trends. Okay, so we've covered a dozen super dependable cars, that sound like they could survive the apocalypse. They sound perfect, right? Maybe too perfect. So here's the twist. The fine print. Reliable does not mean invincible. You can't just buy a Camry, skip every oil change, ignore the check engine light, and expect it to cruise to 300,000 miles. That's not how any of this works. These cars earn their reputation because they respond incredibly well to proper care. The factory builds a strong foundation, but it's the owner who has to maintain it. Stick to the maintenance schedule, use good fluids and quality parts, fix small problems before they become big ones. That's the real secret. Treat these cars right and they'll treat you right. Chevrolet Corvette. Now for a car you probably didn't expect to see on this list, the Chevy Corvette. Sports cars usually get a bad rap for being high maintenance and fragile, but the modern Corvette flips that idea upside down. Its 6.2-liter V8 engine, the LT2, makes a wild 495 horsepower and launches from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. Despite all that power, this engine is incredibly reliable. Why? It's a push-rod V8 design that Chevy has refined for more than 60 years. It's strong, simple, and doesn't need to work too hard, which means fewer breakdowns and less drama. In fact, J.D. Power ranks the Corvette as the most reliable premium sporty car on the market, beating even pricey European exotics. Ford F-150. Finally, we've got the best-selling vehicle in America for over 40 years, the Ford F-150. When you build millions of trucks, you get very good at it. The F-150 comes with several engine options, but two of the most proven are the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and the legendary 5.0-liter V8. The V8 is a classic workhorse, simple, tough, and designed to haul heavy loads for years. The EcoBoost offers strong power and fuel efficiency thanks to turbocharging, and it's held up well over time. These trucks regularly pass 200,000 miles, even when used hard every single day. Plus, with so many on the road, parts are cheap, and every mechanic knows how to fix them. So there you have it, 12 cars from the humble Corolla to the screaming Corvette that prove reliability comes in all shapes and sizes. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned? Did it make the list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown of cars you can count on, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense car knowledge. Drive safe, keep up with your oil changes, and maybe, just maybe, you'll never have to see the side of the road again. See you in the next one.